Before you can make an employment tribunal claim, you'll usually have to commence ACAS early conciliation. If this is unsuccessful, ACAS will then issue a certificate with a unique reference number, which you must include on your claim form. If you don't, your claim will be rejected. Generally, claims must be received by a tribunal within 3 months of the complaining act. However, this can be extended by ACAS early conciliation by up to 1 calendar month plus a further 14 days if the parties agree. Once your claim has been accepted, it will be sent to your employer, who will have 28 days to respond. After this, a tribunal will set a date for a final hearing and issue directions for you to prepare a schedule of loss, provide a list of documents relevant to your claim, agree a hearing bundle, and exchange witness statements. In complex cases, the tribunal will usually invite you to attend a preliminary hearing to clarify the issues first. The more complex the case, the longer the final hearing. If your claim is successful, you could receive compensation, an award for injury to feelings, or both.